Chiesa di Santa Maria della Spina is a small church. The church, erected around 1230 in the Pisan Gothic style. The Leaning Tower of Pisa began in August, 1173. Pisa Tower was eventually completed in the mid-1300s. Di Pisa is one of the most impressive churches in Tuscany, Italy. Construction began in 1063 and was completed in 92. Battistero di San Giovanni is a Roman Catholic ecclesiastical building. Construction started in 1152 to replace an older baptistery, and when it was completed in 1363, it became the chronological order, in the Piazza dei Miracoli.